Alright, now hear me out. There are people making over 1,200 rupees making voiceovers. There are people making over 20,000 rupees as a social media manager. There are people making over 5,000 rupees by making just one PowerPoint presentation. People are making over 1,200 rupees for every black and white illustration. They're charging over 4,200 rupees for making logos. Some are charging over 1,200 rupees for one YouTube thumbnail. And some are charging over 8,500 rupees for product photography. You know one thing that is common between all of these skills? All of them can be done by AI tools. I want to share with you how can you make money on Fiverr with ChatGPT and a number of other AI tools. While many of you might know about ChatGPT, that is not the only tool you can use. In this video, I'll be showing you several free AI tools that will help you do all of these tasks that I just mentioned before and make money on Fiverr. If that interests you, make sure that you hit the like button and let's get into this video. Let's first talk about voiceover. Gone are the days of robotic sounding voices generated by computers. Check out play.ht and Murph AI. These are some tools that you can use for yourself and create realistic sounding voices. Just hear these out.
Success isn't about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives.
Or check out this voice.
A man in possession of limitless curiosity and intellect. Elon Musk makes a fascinating subject.
These are not real people. These are all audios created by AI itself. There is voice modulation, there is humor, and there is a human touch to it that you can use for working as a freelancer on sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and many more. Not only this, play.ht also has a project called as podcast.ai in which they have cloned the voice of Steve Jobs and Joe Rogan, and they're having an intellectual conversation in that podcast. It is going to blow your mind. I insist you to go look it up. I will put the link in the description also if you're interested. Also, if you're liking this video, hit the like button if you have not already. Going back, this is what play.ht is all about. We can click on create an audio. We can click on use standard and realistic audio. And now we can start generating audio with our text. So as you can see, I'll just type the text. I will type the voice style. Is it supposed to be angry, assistant, chat, cheerful, customer service, excited, friendly, hopeful? And then I can click on convert to speech. And then I can download that audio and I can use it wherever I want it to be used. Also check out Murph.ai. They have over 120 different voices for you to use. You can simply click on login. You can create a project for yourself after you've logged in, and this is what it would look like right here. I can click on explore AI voices and I can pick voices from all of these options available to me. It's not just limited to English, US and Canada. I can also try to pick up Indian voices. So we have Hindi right here as well. So I just wrote this simple text right here and I will click on playing this. So this will now generate audio from this text that I have just put up. As you can see, it might take some time and now we can play this.
Hey everyone. I'm Ishan Sharma and I'm talking from an AI text to audio tool called Murph AI. I have to say, these tools are getting crazy powerful and this makes me really excited for the future of AI and work. Can't wait for GPT-4 to be launched.
So that is what the audio will sound like. Again, you can change the accent however you want. You can also change the way they will be speaking, right? So this is a very general tone. You can change it, you can make it angry, you can make it cheerful, excited, however you want it to be. So that was voiceover. Now let's take a look at social media marketing and management. And you will be blown away by the amount of tools that are available right now at your disposal. The first one we'll be looking at is called as Tweet GPT. Just to give an example of how it works, let's say I open up my own Twitter account, I go for my home feed and I see some tweet right here, right? For example, let's say I have this tweet right here, want a BF so he can teach me about finance, taxes, cryptos and stocks like I'm a 6-year-old, right? I can now reply to this tweet with the help of Tweet GPT. It's basically a Chrome extension that you can install for free and you can get some pretty interesting responses. So if I click on this icon right here, I can choose the tone of my tweet. It can be supportive, snarky, optimistic, controversial, excited, smart, hillbilly, pirate, humorous, and passive aggressive. Let's try to go passive aggressive on this tweet right here. It will take some time. It connects to ChatGPT, and this is the tweet that we get. Oh, I see you're looking for a financial advisor who can also double as a babysitter. Good luck with that search, right? I'm just showing you an example of what you can do. I don't want you to be, harassing people on social media platform, but this is just an example of what is possible with the help of Tweet GPT. So if you're working as a social media manager, you can interact with posts of people on Twitter, and you can use some very interesting comments with the help of ChatGPT itself without you having to think a lot about what to reply and how to create that engagement for your account particularly. So that's what we have right here. I would not want to tweet this, but let's go on to the next tool right now, which is going to be clipmaker.ai. Again, these are tools that you can use for free. This one is called as Clipmaker AI, as you can see right here. What this does is, if you give it a video link of your YouTube video, it will then convert that video into smaller clips that you can then upload on other social media platforms. It basically solves the problem of repurposing your content into smaller pieces for other social media platforms. So that is essentially what it does. It's a very simple process. I just went ahead, clicked on new conversion. You can enter the YouTube link right here, and you can choose if you want to be for Instagram or you want to be for TikTok, right? And then you can also get free captions for the same. And then you just need to click on next. It will take about 5-10 minutes, and it will generate a lot of clips that you can use along with the captions on each of these social media platforms. It does it completely automatically so that you don't have to go into a video editor and edit all of it yourself. There is one more tool that's very interesting called as Flicky. Now, Flicky will help you to convert text into videos with the help of their AI voices. Just to give you an example of what I made, I converted a tweet into a video. And here's an example of what I did. I just basically pasted this whole tweet over here. I used the voice of an Indian male, and I got this as the result, right? If I were to click on this, I can play it, and this is the reel that I got.
Would be 10x better with these shots. 1. Ratan Tata. 2. Kiran Mazumdar. 3. Anand Mahindra. 5. Nitin Kamath.
Now, this is a very simple edit for any reel out there. You can add your own voiceover if you want to, but I think that for the time that you're putting into it, you are getting a decent enough result. If you want to convert tweets into reels, then you can use this tool right here for doing that. There is one more social media tool I wanted to show you, but I just forgot about it. It's called Lumen 5. As you can see it right here, you can literally convert an article. I just put a link of an article right here. It converted that whole article into a video that you can see right here. Now I can just click on preview, as you can see right here, and I can get a complete video. Now the best thing about this tool is that you can tweak it to your own liking. It is free. You can download this video, you can upload it on your Instagram stories, you can create long form YouTube videos with it. You can basically convert any written content into a video content, right? And it is editable as well. So you can try out this tool as well, Lumen 5. It's an AI converter, text to video. Now the next tool I want to show you is called as Tome.app, that can create presentations for you that look beautiful in just a matter of minutes. Let me show you an example of what I can create with the help of Tome.app. It's completely free. I have a prompt right here, so I can just say that create a pitch deck for a dating app for dogs. In just a matter of 2 minutes, this is the 8-page deck that it created for this dating app for dogs. As you can see, this is what it looks like. This is the contents. Here is the first slide with an image created by DALL-E and the text created from ChatGPT itself, introducing the Doggies Date app. It has a proper description for it as well. Moving down, we can see the features of the app. We can see safety and security, and we also get some beautiful looking images right next to it as well, right? You also have a community, and we can now download the app today. Again, it all just took 2 minutes. I know a lot of you spend hours for creating these presentations for your assignments or your homework, you can do it effortlessly with the help of tome.app. Or if you are working with any of the clients, you can create these pitch decks very easily. You can also tweak these presentations later on if you want to, but this is a great tool that you can use for completely free for creating presentations or for any other task as well. Like I asked it to create an itinerary for 5 days in Mumbai, what places to visit, what food to eat, and it gave me a complete list of things that I can do in Mumbai itself along with pictures, which I think is amazing. Now let's talk about creating illustrations, right? There is a tool called as illustroke.com through which you can create some amazing looking illustrations. Once you've logged in, this is what it will look like. I will show you one of my collections. So I just gave it a prompt, a 21-year-old male editing videos in his room, right? And it should be isometric. I can also change the style of it if I want to do that. And this is what I get with the prompt in just a couple of seconds. As you can see, these are pretty detailed looking illustrations, and I can download it and I can use it for my website, for my article, or for any other use as well, right? So a great tool for creating illustrations with just a few minutes. Now let's talk about logos, YouTube thumbnails, and book covers, right? So again, a lot of people are looking for someone who can create book covers for their book, or who can create thumbnails for their YouTube videos, or someone who can make logos for their app idea. You can use stockimg.ai, a tool that you can see on the screen. You can log into it and you can start creating these very easily. Just go on to book cover and you can enter the prompt for what type of a book cover do you want, and you can click on generate and it will create that book cover for you. As you can see, it's pretty detailed. You can then go ahead and download it as well if you want to. You can also create wallpaper art. It also has some tweaks that you can do to make it look even better. You can create posters right here by entering the right prompt. You can also create stock images with the help of this website. You can also make logos, right? This is an example of a logo you can create. Click on surprise me to find out more logos. These are free logos you can create with the help of AI just with a couple of sentences. As you can see, modern vessel, modern ship, see realistic, and this is the logo that we get. There is also a site called as appicons.ai, and using this tool you can create icon designs for your app or for your desktop application, right? You can simply mention what do you want the design to look like and it will create that same thing for you. Like for example, I entered a middle-aged man in a black Nike tracksuit and shoes running with a smile on his face, cinematic lighting, hyper realistic. I'll just click on generate and I will get all of the options that I can use and create my application. So these are the icon designs that I can get right here. I can also click on generate to get more as well. Let's now talk about product photography. Again, a very popular niche on Fiverr, and you can do that exact same thing with an AI called as pixelcut.ai. As an example, here is a sticker of Elon and it created all of these photos for me to use from, right? I can also show you this jar I had and it made all of these photos that I can use. You can also create a new photo shoot. Just start photo shoot, enter what style do you want it to be in, right? Do you want it to be holiday, super pop, monstera? Do you want it to be still life, splash, sandstone, neutral? And then you can go ahead and enter the image that you want. It can be your merchandise, it can be any product that you have. Just put its image over here and it will create some amazing product photographies for you as well. Finally, let's talk about content writing and copywriting, one of the biggest niches for any freelancer out there. Check out copy.ai, a free tool you can use to create amazing copy, and there's just so many things you can do with it, right? Just to give you an example, it can help you write product descriptions. Whatever products that you see on Amazon, you can get the descriptions done with the help of an AI on this site itself. You can write digital ad copy, you can create startup tools, which is audience refiner, brand mission, brand voice, moto generator. You also have website copy, so it will write the complete copy, CTA, event copy, landing page, hero text, and so much more. We also have blog tools available for us that you can see right here. You can write emails and letters as well. You can create social media posts, carousel posts, crazy YouTube ideas, hashtag generator, hook generator, Instagram carousels and captions. Instagram product showcases, and just the list goes on and on. YouTube description intro, YouTube video title, YouTube call to action, and moving on, you can create sales copies. As you can see, you can do writing tools as well, right? You can create a cliffhanger for your story with the help of copy.ai. This is just an amazing tool to use if you are a freelancer working with your client in the copywriting niche. Do try this out yourself, and it has a lot of potential for saving you time so that you can do better work. Now, a lot of you might be thinking, how can you get to know about all of these tools, right? Now, I personally use two websites. One is called futurepedia.io and the other one is called as futuretools.io. Now, on both of these sites, you will find a ton of AI tools. The builders of these websites will keep updating the website with the latest tools that are coming out in the market so that you can try them. Just check this out. This is called Futurepedia right here. You can pick whatever industry you want. If you want it to be a fashion app, you want it to be finance, you want it to be gaming app, you want it to be general writing, you can choose whatever you want, right? Like right now I've clicked on design assistant and freemium design assistant tool, so I can get all of these tools right here. Right, so that's how you can get to know about the latest tools coming out in the industry. You can also go ahead and check out futuretools.io, right? Futuretools.io, and you can get access to all of these tools. You can sort it by the most upvoted, the most popular tools right here, or you can also sort it for the newest tools right here. Right, newest to oldest, and you can see the newer tools over here as well if you want to. So that's how you can stay up to date with the AI revolution. So these were all the tools you can use to make money on Fiverr. If you have any questions for the same, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. You can share this video with your friends. You can share it on social, tag me over there as well. Thanks a lot for watching. I will see you all in the next video. What is one tool that you will absolutely use? Let me know in the comment section from all the ones that I've mentioned. The links for all will be in the description as well. Hit the like button if you have not already. I will continue coming up with some amazing content right here. If you're still watching, write in the comment section, I watched till the very end. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.